Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at the nervous system. For the body to work effectively, there has to be harmonization between the various actions of the different parts of the body. The body of a vertebrate is so complex that there are many things happening at the same time. So there has to be coordination between all these various things happening. And this coordination is made possible through the nervous system. Apart from the nervous system, we also have the endocrine system that ensures this coordination. So coordination, as we've seen, to be harmonization of the various actions of the body, is made possible through the nervous system. This nervous system is comprising of two parts. We have the central nervous system making up of the brain and the spinal cord, and then we have the peripheral nervous system consisting of the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves. Now, when somebody pricks you with a pin, or when you touch a hot object, the sensory neurons around that very part of your body that you use in touching the hot object or you use in getting pricked gets the information, and through the neurons gets it to the spinal cord and then to the brain. Once the information gets to the brain is able to interpret and tell that part of your body that this is actually a hot object. Please withdraw your hand before you get hot. Or it will tell that part of your body, this thing touching you is very dangerous to you. It's corrosive. You touch an acid, it's corrosive. Withdraw your hand. And that is how you're able to sense what is happening and you're able to take action. And furthermore, we are going to be looking at voluntary and involuntary action. How the body, through this very nervous system, takes care of things like that. Your ability to respond to stimuli or stimulus and do other things. Now, as a matter of taking down notes, we have that the nervous system helps the vertebrates. We all know that vertebrates are animals with backbone in coordination. And this coordination simply means the harmonization of the actions of the different parts of the body. Like I said before, the body of vertebrates, the body is very, very complex, and there has to be harmonization so that the body can work effectively. So the parts of the nervous system are the central nervous system, consisting of the brain and the spinal cord, the peripheral nervous system, consisting of the cranial nerves, the spinal nerves, and the automatic nervous system. Then this can be captured in summary in this very chart that we have here. You have the central nervous system divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Then under the central nervous system we have the brain and we have the spinal cord. Whereas under the peripheral nervous system we have the sensory system, like I told you. Use it to censor and know what has happened at the parts of the body that is exposed to the external change. Now we have the motor system. The sensory system is divided into the sensory neurons and the sensory receptors. The sensory neuron is divided into spinal nerves and cranial nerves. Now we have the motor system consisting of the somatic nervous system and the automatic nervous system, which are majorly consisting of motor neurons and the ganglia. Now, the somatic system also has the spinal nerves and the cranial nerves. The automatic nervous system is made up of the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. Each of them making up of the spinal nerves. The sympathetic nervous system is made up of the spinal nerves, and the parasympathetic nervous system is made up of the spinal nerves and the cranial nerves. So this chart is the summary of the nervous system. So in subsequent classes, we are going to be looking at the brain, looking at the spinal cord, and the neurons that enable all this to take shape.